Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So you have just set up TikTok Live Studio and you're wondering where are my alerts? Why it's not showing when someone follows me or sends a gift? Don't worry. In this video, I'm gonna show you 2 free ways to set up TikTok Live Alert, and I'm gonna keep it as simple as possible. The first one is the built-in alerts that are already inside TikTok Live Studio. So if you're already using it, you're able to set it up right now without downloading anything, and the process is actually very straightforward. And the second method, which is by using Tikfinity. It's a free tool that allows you to have more customization such as custom sound, even an overlay design, and probably more custom gift alert. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first of all, open up Live Studio and you'll see something like this. So the next thing is to go to the source and look for the plus button, click on it and look for alert that is under the widget, and click add. And you're able to see this small box right here. So from here itself, you're able to set up follower alert, gift alert, and also for the super fan alert. Now the alert duration, I'm going to set it to 3 seconds and enable this alert pairs. What does it do? New alert will replace all the previous one. And the next thing is for the follower alert. So inside here itself, which that you can choose some of the built-in alert sound. But if you do have your own alert sound that you would like to use, just click on the add button and click upload. And look for the source that you would like to actually upload. And the next thing is for the gift alert, just remain the same. Follow the step, is very straightforward. But the next thing is to actually add custom image to every of the alert. So just go to the appearance, just beside the general. Just bring all the way down, you're able to see the follower alert, gift, and also super fan. Just click the plus sign to actually upload your own preferred image. And you're able to adjust pick over text, or even pick beside text, and the opacity, the highlight message color, or even a common message color. So once you have done all that, just click add source. So you're able to see this small box here, so you can actually adjust to whenever location that you actually prefer. And before that, double click on the source. And on the top, you're able to see the preview. Just click on the preview. It's gonna show you all the alert that you have been set up. And it is actually very simple and very handy. Now, if you want something even more custom, such as custom overlays, custom alert animation design, or even your own custom sound, then the second method is definitely for you. Now, just a quick note, in this video, we're setting up Tikfinity inside TikTok Live Studio. But if you're using OBS Studio for your TikTok live stream, I've already made a full guide showing you exactly how to set up Tikfinity alert into OBS. I'll put the link down in the description below. Besides that, I'll also put the Tikfinity download link in the description below also. So once you've done download, open up your Tikfinity and you'll see something like this. So basically, this is Tikfinity. Now the first step is to actually set up your account, connect your TikTok account into the app itself. So on the left side, you're able to see the setup. So log in with your Gmail, and once you have done that, copy and paste your TikTok username into it. So whenever you go live, remember to keep this window open in order to ensure the smooth and stable performance. And usually it's gonna be automatic connected. So how do you find the username? Open up your TikTok account from a desktop, and from the link itself, you're able to see there's a lion symbol. So whenever behind it is the username. So just copy and paste it. So when you have done connect your TikTok account, the next thing is go under action and events to actually set up the follow alert and your gift alert. So from the left side, you're able to see this action, just click on it. So the first thing is to create new action. Just click on the create new actions and rename it because it is very important for the next step. After that, you're able to see this what should happen. So for me, I'm gonna use for show animations, play the audio, and also show text alert. So first thing, the choose animation. From here, you'll see general animations and GIF animations. So if you want something that is quite interesting, just go for the GIF animations and look for the one that you actually prefer to use. For let's say, I'm gonna go for this one. Looks pretty awesome. And if you want something more custom, such as your own picture or even a GIF file, just click show picture or GIF and select file. Just drop the file into it. Very simple. Alright, so play audio, you can actually use the sound library that already have it in built in. For example, I'm gonna go for Alright, this looks pretty good. I'm gonna just apply for this one and show alert and user plus text. So from here, it does already give you some example on actually how to type. So just type your own thank you message and follow the format. And from the global overlay setting, you're able to choose the font color, the font size, even more effect, 3D effect, move effect, wiggle effect, all this. That is so much thing that you can actually customize. Okay, so once you've done that, all the way down, you're able to see the display duration. I'm I'm gonna set it to 5 seconds because it is not too long and not too short. And adjust the media sound volume of the alert to make sure that alert sound is actually not too loud. And for the overlay screen, it is actually very important. I'm gonna show you after this why is it. So but for now, I'm gonna set it to screen 2 and enable the fade in fade out to make your GIF alert looks much more interesting. Once you've done all this, just click save. And you better see the alert testing is already showed. So once you've done creating the action, the next thing is to create the event that triggered the alert. So just go down below, you better see the event, just click create new event, and you better see who is able to trigger the event. Just go for everyone if you are setting for the GIF. If you are setting for follower alert, just go for any follower. By what will the event be triggered? Go for the sending a GIF with minimum coin value if it's for the GIF alert. If it's a follower alert, just go for follow, and you're also able to set up a specific GIF alert. For example, choose a GIF, just click on it. And you will see there's a lot of GIF from the TikTok itself. So from here, you're able to set a specific alert just for the specific GIF. But for now, I'm gonna make it simple. Just go for the sending a GIF with minimum coin value. I'm gonna set it to, let's say, for 5 coins and trigger all of this action. This is where the name that is coming very important. Click on the select and you better see the alert testing that we renamed previously. Just click on it. Once you've done, just click save. So from here, you're able to see that your event is already created. So the next thing is to copy the link and paste it into your TikTok Live Studio for the alert to be triggered. You're able to see the overlay screen settings. Just go for the screen 2 and click on it. The link will be copied. So now I'm going to show you how to paste it into your TikTok Live Studio. So when you're in your Live Studio, go for the source and go for the plus sign and look for link and click add and paste the link right into it. Always click active and click add source. So from here, you're able to see this small box. Just adjust accordingly to the position that you like. The next thing is to actually test the alert itself. So I'm going to show you how to actually test on it. Just bring all the way down. You're able to see this event simulator. Let me just make it smaller. Alright, so do you still remember that the minimum coin value that we set previously was 5? So if you want to simulate GIF preview, remember to look for the coin that is above 5 or else it won't be triggered. So I'm going to go for, let's say, a journey pass, simulate GIF. Now you're able to see that the alert is pop up in your Live Studio. So with this free tool, not only that you can customize custom alert for your TikTok live stream, but there's also a lot of amazing overlays that you can use for your stream. Let me show you. You can able to see this overlay just right above the action. Just click on it. So all of these are pro, which you have to pay for it, but we're gonna show you some of the free overlays that you can actually use for your live stream to make it looks much more interesting. So for example, you can go for this social media rotator, but I do not suggest to use it for TikTok live stream. The one that I recommend to use, which is the top gifter, or even the ranking list, or even the top liker, all of these you can use for free in your TikTok live stream. If you really want to use one of these, just go for copy the URL, paste it into your Live Studio, and adjust accordingly to your layout. And that are the two easiest methods that you can actually add TikTok alert into your TikTok live stream by using their own Live Studio. And now the question is, which one should you use? If you want something that is simple, straightforward, easy to set up, you can just use the built-in alert that is already inside TikTok Live Studio. It is more than enough and it's very easy to get started. And once you're more comfortable or you want something that is more customizable, then move over to Tikfinity for more custom sound, custom animations, or even custom overlays to make your stream looks much more professional. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you are still here with me and found this video is helpful, do not forget to give this video a very big like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And if you do have any other questions, comment down below. I'll try my best to help solve your problem. So by any chance, if you are streaming to TikTok by using OBS Studio, we got a video perfectly for you that we cover how to set up Tikfinity alert inside OBS Studio, so you might want to check it out. So I'll see you all in the next video, and as usual, happy streaming!